Durga, we believe that leadership is made up of all of these. Durga Bearings began in a small way 30 years ago. Many of the principles which drive Durga came from the vision of its founder, Mr. M.P. Sultania. Mr. Sultania valued customers, service and ethics more than profits. And that laid the foundation for modern Durga to be a leader.
To me, a leader is a person with a mission. At Durga, we are having very clear-cut mission. Our mission is to be a leading supplier of bearings to Indian industries. When customer thinks of a bearings, when he wants reliable supply and immediate delivery, the first name should come to his mind is Durga.
So, what makes Durga first name in bearings? We asked NSK RHP, a world leader in bearings.
Today, Durga is a leader in the bearings business because they have shown initiative and enterprise from day one. They are dynamic and aggressive in the marketplace and have made a huge contribution to promoting NSK in India.
Durga's portfolio includes leading brands from across the world, ENA and FAG, the brands for you when it comes to motion and control. NSK RHP, world leaders in bearings. EPT, one company, an integrated solution. NB, Gamet, BMD, SNFA, NMB, Lubcon, Nikki, Fuji. EMO, a market leader in slewing rings and slew drives, have this to say.
Well, a couple of years ago, we decided to enter the Indian market. And that's why we looked for a partner that understands our products, which are highly sophisticated slewing rings, as well as the market and the customer needs. So we did an assessment and finally came up with Durga as the one to go for. And that actually has been the best decision that we could do.
This understanding and expertise helps Durga offer value-added service to clients as well.
When we are selecting a supplier, we are basically looking at three aspects. Firstly, he should meet the time commitment. Secondly, his product should be economically priced. And thirdly, the product should be of good quality and must not fail when we use it and send the product or when I send our wind electric generator to the field. I must say, Durga has been meeting all these three commitments.
In order to be closer to customers, Durga established a national network. Today, Durga has offices in Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune and Ahmedabad.
We have very rich experience and we understand every customer's individual need. We are the only supplier who have complete range of bearings, starting from tiny 2 mm to as large as 5 meters, from the top manufacturer in the world.
Durga can supply stocks promptly from their vast warehouses. They study the replacement cycles of customers and stock spares accordingly. Thus, customers are able to avoid downtime and the hassle of stocking spares. Prompt service is provided by Durga's technical support team, one of the best in the country. Every member of Team Durga is passionately committed to Durga's growth. They undergo constant training and upgradation of the bearings we represent. They are an important part of what makes Durga a leader.
Today, Durga supplies bearings for every application, from electric motor to radar. We post the highest turnover, most people, highest inventory, widest network, and the best reputation. That's why from a smallest industry to a Jindal or Tata, all are our customers.
Durga's customers are leaders of industry. From power plants to windmills, automobiles to defense, Durga has supplied bearings to customers across industries.
We are in pursuit of excellence at AMS. We are happy to find Durga as a proactive business partner who is living up to our expectations. We wish them good luck.
in vision, in quality, in reputation, Durga has absorbed the principles of leadership and now has the bearing of a leader.